Hi, welcome to the first edition of Wellness Wednesdays, which is appropriate since September is Healthy Aging Month. As the ambassador for conscious aging life management and founder of Mindful Longevity Solutions, I'm here to help you develop your personalized longevity plan so you can continue to age as healthfully and gracefully as you possibly can. Today, I want to talk to you about one aspect of wellness that is really fundamental to our well-being. Most people might not be aware of it, or they may be aware of the importance, but they may not be getting a sufficient amount to meet their daily needs, and that is hydration. Most people don't even realize that when they feel thirsty, they're already dehydrated. Research tells us that we should drink at least 1/2 of our body weight in ounces of water a day in order to be fully hydrated, and that a slight reduction of fluid in 1 to 2% of our body weight per day can lead to difficulty concentrating, focusing, or remembering, low energy or feeling tired, slower sluggish metabolism, hunger, or cravings. In addition, for older adults, it can cause confusion, dizziness, hallucinations, high blood pressure, and even falls. Many people think because they drink a variety of fluids during the day that can take the place of water, but the reality is very few other beverages can take the place of water. So if you're not drinking enough water, you might need a strategy to introduce more water into your daily regimen. Here's one tip. Try adding 1 8-ounce glass of water each day before every meal. So 3 times a day, obviously you'd be adding 24 ounces of water to your daily intake. And yes, even 1 glass of water before breakfast. After 1 week, we could try another strategy to add more water. But for now, every day for 1 week, add a glass of water before every meal. So that is today's wellness tip, and see you Monday for Mindful Mondays. Have a good week.